You want some too, huh? Come on, pretty boy. Pretty boy? You're kidding me. Pretty boy?
Yo, what's up, everybody?
What's up?
It's your boy Blitz.
And I'm your boy Blitz&Blurr.
Okay.
Are you boxing?
I thought you was going to drop some. I don't, you know. Okay. Anyway, yo, welcome everybody to a new episode of GCE Play.
Come on here.
You got some gameplay footage of the games that we're chewing on right now. Now, normally when we do this for brand new games that just dropped that everyone's worried about and stuff like that. But see, because we started our game channel in December, there were some games that dropped before that we thought were monumental and epic. And these are games we still play even now.
Right.
What game are we talking about?
We're talking about Red Dead Redemption 2.
It's an awesome game, guys.
So look, without further ado, go ahead and watch our GCE play of Red Dead Redemption Part 2.
Okay. There you go.
Tongue twister.
All right, we got it. Check out the video, guys.
Can't get through nothing without some damn ruckus.
Sir, I think I must be suffering from exposure. Suffer a little longer. I seem to keep blacking out. Sir, I must warn you, my temperature is subnormal. You do seem to keep blacking out. Sir, this isn't necessary. I'm a medical man, a healer. It's all just a big mistake. Oh, I don't feel very well. I told you to shut up. Who made you judge? I'm only in it for the money. Oh, I don't feel well at all. You're a bully, sir.
Get him now. Not here much longer.
Goddamn savages!
We don't understand you more, and that's... Oh, my lord. I wasn't expecting you back so soon. Mrs. Calthorpe was just leaving.
Sure. Where you want him?
Cell in the back.
There's been some terrible mistake. I never did it. Any of it. I thought I told you to shut up, partner. But I told you. But nothing. Shut up. And, good luck. It's been real fun. You ain't much of a man. You ask folks for forgiveness, you remember this, partner. I've already forgotten. Now, sure, how much was you offering?
$50. Here.
Thank you. Madam.
Please, remember what I told you.
thing.
That's what they say.
Welcome back. Oh, it's, you.
Yes, it is. Last time I checked.
I really don't need any more trouble.
I didn't come to make any. I was just protecting a lady.
Well, all behind us now, I suppose. So what is it you need? A bath, perhaps?
Like what you see?
Oh, hell, the missus has me out hunting damn near every day. Wants to sell enough hides to send the kids to school. I tell you, boys, there you are. Married life ain't what it's made out to be.
That happens time to time.
Won't believe this. Found a gold nugget.
Good morning.
I lost it.
Look out!
Good to see you.
Let's have a look in here.
The sheriff's got an ad for himself at one point. You'll see a few people in town with that, too. The sheriff's got an ad for himself at one point.
You gonna say my trick is delicate, huh? But I blew up on the bar kick the other day. Got any blooded iron on. Ain't the first time.
If it weren't for all the bounties running around New Hanover, I'd be out of business. The more bounty posters that go up, the more people flock to my shop. Plenty of reason for that in Valentine.
Now this should be fun. Thanks.
Well, ain't that something?
Morning, partner.
Keep it moving. All you need to know in the New Hanover Gazette. We got a wild one here. Drink up, ladies.
Another round. Hey, all right, there we go. Oh, Arthur, come here. Come over here. I want you to meet our friends.
Pleased to meet you.
Well, ain't you just a tough-as-teak mountain man?
Oh, you be quiet, Anastasia. Anyone can tell this one is a pussy cat.
Exactly. Yes, he's a pussy cat. Ain't that so, Arthur?
Whatever you say. How much you cost, anyway?
Well, ain't that a nice way to talk to a lady?
Oh, I didn't know I was talking to a lady.
Excuse me.
Well, I must say, you got a fine way with the women, amigo.
Yeah, regular dandy and a charm. Where's Bill?
Oh, man. I dread to think about it. Hey! There he is.
Watch where you're going. Take it
Are you about to kiss that guy or punch him?
Oh, and we have our answer.
Come here, you. Let's just shoot these bastards. Oh, come on. We can handle these fools. Someone's paying for the damage. I'm trying to run a business here, boys. We'll show you, you sons of bitches. Come on, calm down, please.
Come here, you little greaser. I'm gonna knock you out. Yeah, you like a girl. You bum. Get the hell off! There you go. We can deal with these fellers. Go get Javier. Hey, tough guy. You want some too, huh? Come on, pretty boy. Pretty boy? You're kidding me. Pretty boy? Knock his head off! Kill that feed, Morgan! What you scared of? You okay there, Arthur? Yeah, I got this son of a bitch. You're even slower than you look. Yeah. Come on, then, big boy. Come on. Hey. Don't take that from him. All right. Put his face in the mud. Try that again.
All right. Come on, Tommy. All right.
Hey, come on, stop it! Stop! Stop! Please! Please! I beg you, stop. Come, sir. You won the fight already. Surely that's enough.
What business is it of yours?
No business. No business, sir, but please, I beg you.
Making new friends again, I see, Arthur.
Look who we found sniffing about.
Josiah Trelawney.
The very same.
Well, I thought you'd gone to New York.
And miss all this glamour. You must be joking.
How are you?
Well, quite well indeed. I went to Blackwater looking for you gentlemen. You're not very popular there, it seems. Ah, Javier and Charles. I've missed you. And Bill looking as well as can be. Gentlemen, always a pleasure.
You're right. We ain't too popular in Blackwater.
We left a lot of money there.
And young Sean, it seems.
Sean, you found him.
Yes, I have. He's being held by some bounty hunters, trying to see how much money the government will pay them. I know he's in Blackwater, but there's talk of them moving.
Well, if we step foot in Blackwater... Well, then we're dead men for sure.
There'll be Pinkertons all over the place, but if he's alive, we gotta try.
Yeah, of course.
It's you they want, Dutch.
Always is. Charles, go find out what you can, carefully. Josiah, take Javier. Arthur, go get yourself cleaned up. Join them when you're ready.
Well, what about me?
Well, exactly. What about you?
What does that mean?
Oh, Bill, come on.
How'd you like some help in here?
Nah, I'm good. Thank you.
All right, I'll leave you to it then.
Morning.
What's up? Real good, real good.
Look out! Get a few cents.
Read all about it, read all about it.
Some dead man kicked out my pa's walking cane. Right in the middle of the street.
Will somebody help me out? I was in the army.
Giddy up!
Hey, buddy. I'm too old to get a job, mister. Way too old. Can't we be friends?
Sure.
I'm so happy. I ain't had a friend in a long time. Long time. My last friend died. Weren't my fault. They said it was, but they was wrong. It's fun being with you, mister. Can I hold you a second, mister? Can I? Come on.
Get lost.
I'm sorry, mister. I'll see you again. I guess.
Come on, sir. Try to remember. What really happened at Sylvia's Saloon back in '76?
Just a lot of bunk, Plato. It's just a lot of bunk.
It's not bunk, Mr. Calloway, sir. It's history.
Ancient history, done and dusted. The dead got off lucky, the living gotta keep suffering. Same as always.
But did you shoot the Newton twins?
I don't give a pig's penis about the Newton twins. One of them was a girl, anyhow.
But you had been friends back in '73. You rode the Alabaster Trail together.
Funny thing about pigs' penises. They're curly, like their tails. Put that in your fucking book, Plato.
This isn't going very well.
He passed out. Of course
Who's
he
your
passed
friend
out.
there?
This is Jim Boy Calloway. The Jim Boy Calloway.
Who?
The gunslinger. Fastest left-handed draw that ever drew breath. He once killed 14 men in a fight at Lucy Hollow.
What are you waiting for?
How do you mean?
Well, I reckon right now, kill him yourself.
I don't want to kill him. I want to deify him. He's a god. I'm trying to write his biography.
And how's that going?
I think I prefer the duel. Either I'd kill him and be able to be Baltimore's finest ever gunslinger, or he'd kill me and I could be set free from ever having to speak to him again.
Well, you're starting to understand something very important.
What's that?
The joys of gunslinging. It's win-win, freedom or glory.
That's brilliant. I'm gonna write that down, if I may.
Be my guest.
What's your name?
I don't have a name.
But you are a gunslinger.
Not really. I mean, folks who need shooting, I try and shoot in the back. All that other stuff, it's, well,
bunk.
But you fought duels.
Once upon a time, I may have.
And you ain't interested in fame?
I don't think so.
Strange. But you like fortune.
I need money, sure.
Okay, then forgive me, mister, if I seem a little desperate. I am a little desperate. This book, I've got to make a thing of it, and, well, there's a whole list of gunfighters. Legends, every last one. Emmett Granger, Flaco Hernandez, Billy Midnight, Black Bell.
Never heard of him.
Maybe you can go and speak to them. Ask them about Calloway. Any of them get uppity, shoot them. I can't believe I just said that, but...
You want me to go and find some sad, deluded fools like him, ask if he was the greatest, and then if they get uppity, shoot him?
Does sound a lot worse than it did in my head.
How much you paying?
Well, a lot. Half the proceeds of the book, if you help me get it written.
I'll see what I can do.
Ha! Oh, get photos.
Okay.
And there are notes on the back of those portraits that should lead you to him.
I'll see what I can find out.
I imagine we'll be stuck here upon your return. Here are some other flophouse. That man might be the answer to our problems. Well, my problems. Your problems? See if a good sleep can fix those.
Damn, Fred sure don't like people looking at him funny.
Ah, hello. Have you come back for another look at the great man?
Something like that.
It is something to behold. A proud lion in his twilight.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yeah.
Windy as all hell, ain't it?
All I want is one nice day without any
You
wind.
hear about that old rancher? That's the way it is.
Come on, watch yourself.
Hold 'em steady now.
You borrow from the O'Driscoll boys.
What you
pay
staring at?
The O'Driscoll
Move along.
boys.
All right, girl. Yeah, here we go.
Come on, ladies. This sure one will put a smile on your man's face. Guaranteed.
Morning.
Morning.
Whoa there.
get moving. Howdy. Hey!
Yeah, you're all right, girl.
Hello there.
All right, guys, there you go. So
Look,
back in the studio with your boys.
So do us a favor. If you want to see a part 2, part 3, part 4, or you want to see us go through the whole game, put it in the comments.
Yes.
And the more that we get saying yes, we will do it. Okay? So, but before we go, do us a big favor. Do us a big favor. I'm going to say, do us a big favor. Please subscribe.
Yep.
Help us out. We get in our analytics show that we're getting people watching, but we're not getting, a lot of people subscribing. So please subscribe. All you gotta do is say bing,
it's down there.
It's down there. Okay,
It's down
bing,
there.
and then what you do also,
like
and just give us some thumbs up and just share our content. Share our content, please, with us. Where else can they find us at, bro?
Hey, you can also check us out on TikTok at game_changers_ENT. See some funny behind the scenes footage of us goofballs trying to come together and make a living at doing video games.
Hey,
video game videos. Yeah.
This is your boy, Blur.
I thought I had like a seizure for a second and the whole world stopped. I was like, did the rapture just take place? What happened?
Hey, this is your boy Blur.
This is your boy Blitz.
And we will GCE you later.
And I'm going to go get him a CAT scan because I don't know what's going on with it.
That was just a blip in the system.
Yeah, it was like a glitch in the Matrix. He was like...
Peace, guys.
Thank you, everybody.